we have reached a situation where when we have a statutory complement of 20 judges, we got 9 overworked beasts of burden sitting down trying to do the job. And in reality, Guyana probably needs 30 judges. Now, it's one thing to sit down and say we don't want delay and we don't want to wait a long time for a judgment. But if you got 9 judges doing the work of 30, you will have delays because they could work 24 hours a day. They could work nighttime and daytime. They cannot meet the backlog.
The attorney at law reasoned that the statutory complement of judges should increase by 30 in order for justice to be granted effectively and expeditiously in wake of mounting and unresolved cases. Back in April 2023, the Court of Appeal Amendment Bill of 2022 was passed in the National Assembly to improve the efficiency of court proceedings. It amends Section 34(1) of the Court of Appeal Act, Chapter 301, which presently provides that the judges of the Court of Appeal shall include no more than 5 justices. It is aimed at increasing the number of appellate court judges to at least 9. Currently, there are only 3 permanent appellate judges. Similarly, provisions were made for the introduction of new civil procedures, rules, and an increase in the complement of high court judges from 12 to 20. The newly constituted Judicial Service Commission paves the way for this to materialize, Jonas noted.
I think as a matter of urgency, the Judicial Service Commission has to appoint 10 judges. I really hope they can find them. And I think that it is also important to agitate to increase the statutory quorum so that we have more than 20 sitting judges in Guyana statutorily.
Chancellor of the Judiciary Acting, Yannick Cummins Edwards, Chief Justice Acting Roxanne George, Public Service Commission Chairman PSC Manuram Prashad, and former Chancellor Justice Kara Singh are among the newly appointed GSC members. Jonas is adamant that the body should act independently and not be open to political control.
Let the judges fill vacancies in the judiciary. So give the judges the power by majority decision of the judges that if they know they need 9, they invite applicants and they by majority decision appoint the 9. Leave the politicians out of it completely. If you take it away from the politicians completely that way, and you allow those same judges by majority to decide who they want to be their chancellor and who they want to be their chief justice, by majority decision among the judges. The problem with that is it decentralizes power too much away from the green and the red shirts.
In swearing of the commission on Friday, Head of State Irfan Ali said that the independence of the Judicial Service Commission is fundamental in any democratic society. He said his government respects this principle.
If the judiciary is not independent of the executive or legislative arms, justice and fairness will become victims of partisan, political, personal, and other biases. This can impair the rule of law, erode citizens' rights, and imperil public trust.
Antonia Day reporting for the AGP Nightly News.